Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name's Clarissa, and today's look was very pink. This is something that I personally wouldn't wear every day, but just when I want to add like a pop of color in my life, this is definitely the look that I would go for. So if you'd like to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. I already have one eye done. What I'm going to do first is set my eyelid with concealer. And take my beauty blender and spread that all around. I already have my eyebrows done. I'm going to set my eyelid with loose powder. I'm going to start off with the iluvsarahiii Dose of Colors palette, and I'm going to go in with that color Peachy. This is going to go all over the crease just as a transition color. Next, I'm going to go into my Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to go into that hot pink and set it into my crease. And we're just placing right now, and then we'll blend out later. I'm taking my MAC 210 brush and just blending out those edges in small circular motions. Taking in a bigger blending brush and just doing the same thing. Going back into that pink shade and setting it into the crease one more time. Just to get the colors pay off. Then again, blending out. And we're not going to blend this one as much as we did the first one, just because we want that color to stay. I went in with a brown right here just to give it a bit of a more defined look. So I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm taking Smooth Criminal and Prowl and just setting it in. And it does look very brown right now, but we're gonna go over with that pink to diffuse the edges. Go back in with that small pink brush and make sure those colors mesh together. Take that pink and just lightly layer it over that brown so it kind of looks more of a pink than a brown. Now we are going to cut our crease. And I'm just taking that concealer again, setting it right on the eyelid, looking a tad bit up just to see where I want that crease to end. And then I'm going in with a flat brush and carving out that cut crease. And since we're stopping halfway, I'm just going to pat down to kind of mesh that into the brown. We are going to go into my Juvia palette, the Saharan. I'm taking that shade in the bottom corner called Fula. Taking that same brush that I did the cut crease with and setting that glitter on. Then lightly pat into that brown so that they blend well. Going back into that Jaclyn Hill brown and setting it in that place again. I'm not really worried about blending it out because I'm going to go back in with that pink glitter and diffuse the edges. After, I'm going to go back in with my peachy color from the iluvsarahiii and just making sure my edges are diffused. Now for the wing liner. Getting them even is going to be hard, but it's okay. I'm going to go in with my NYX Hella Fine. It's super skinny, so it helps me get into my eye easily. So just going to start off in the middle to see how thick I want that line. Okay, going off to the edge. Now my eyeliner never comes out perfect, so I just let it be and then I go in after with the wipe and just make it hella pointy. I'm gonna go in with a makeup wipe and just clean up. Okay, eyeliner is done and somewhat similar. Okay, and then for today, for lashes, we're going to be using the baddieblashes by Jenny69 in the style Instahoe. Okay, now that my lashes are on, I'm going in with the Drunk Elephant moisturizer. And I'm going to use that as my primer today, just because my skin has been so dry. So after letting that sit on my face for a little bit, I'm going to go into my Fenty foundation in the shade 300. And I'm using this one today because I am really tan right now for some reason. I think it's from the Luna festival. Got to see my girl Corey. And it was just amazing, like beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Beauty Blender. I'm just gonna blend all that into my skin. So after this, I'm gonna go into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Honey. And as always, putting that right there. I don't like to go too high on my forehead. Around my nose. because I do get dark around my mouth. Go into a Smashbox. I think it's called the Blurring concealer brush. Then next, using my Huda Beauty Powder in the color Blondie, or in the shade Blondie. Just gonna use that Morphe and just go in and set it all. Go in with my Laura Mercier little puff thing and just push that into the skin. Going up here and down the nose. Now I'm gonna use my Benefit Do the Hoola, and it's like a liquid bronzer, and I'm just gonna take a small brush and just set that where I want my bronzer to go. Going into my beauty blender and just blending that into the skin. I'm going to go in with my powder bronzer, and I'm going to try this bronzer extra large. So I'm going to use that with my Smashbox brush, and I'm just going to set that right where I set down the liquid bronzer, just to set it all in place. Get that all in my hairline up top, so to make my forehead appear a tad bit smaller at least. Bring it down. Okay. Now going to diffuse those edges with just a big fluffy brush, because I feel like it does look a little harsh right here. So I'm just going to stipple that up. Blush, Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. With that same bronzer brush, I'm just going to go in and set that on my cheekbones, just for a pretty look. And I'm one of those people that right when you put on blush, it just magically disappears. So I go ham on my blush, because I know that right when I walk outside it's gonna be gone. So now we're going back into the eyes for our under eye. We're gonna use the same brush for this, and it's just gonna be a skinny angled brush. And first I'm gonna go in with Peachy again, and I'm really going to bring that all the way across and as far down as I can, or as I want. I'm going to take a skinnier brush and just focus that closer to the lash line. it's okay if it looks crazy because we're gonna go in and blend it out anyways. Back to that peachy brush and just blend them together. Okay, next we're going to set our face because we're gonna hit it with some highlight. Today's highlight, I'm gonna be using the Makeup by Shayla Colourpop collection, and this is the shade Pose. It's a little bit rose gold, so I'm going to spray my face first with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. Then I'm taking my IT Cosmetics fan brush, picking up some of that Pose, tapping off the excess because I always highlight, and going to set that where I shine. Now I'm going into my Anastasia Nicole Guierro highlighting palette, and I'm going to use Kitty Cat just because it is a little bit more pink. And it'll go more with this eye look. And setting that right over Pose. Oh yes, that's pretty. Oh girl, who is she? Putting that on the bridge of the nose and on the very tip and on the Cupid's bow. Now we're gonna do our lower mascara, and today I'm gonna be using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Volumizing Mascara. Just going to lightly hit my bottom lashes. I'm going to set my face one more time with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray before I go into my lip. And I don't know if I want to go pink lip, nude lip, or what kind of lip. I'm going to try another Kylie Lip Kit, but in the shade Posie K, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna line my lips with the liner. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the liquid lip. Yeah. I like that a lot better. Do I want white eyeliner? So to make my eyes look a little more open, I'm gonna go in with a white eyeliner. That's the finished look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this fun pink look. So I hope you guys liked it, and please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.